Building relationships with realtors is one of the most effective strategies for a loan officer to grow their business. One way a loan officer can carry out this strategy is to create marketing or real estate flyers for their current or prospective agent partners. But designing flyers takes a lot of time, especially if you're not a graphic designer. So, how do you delight realtors without hiring a graphic designer or a marketing expert? PrintPub, a built-in tool in Jungo, allows you to easily create elegant real estate marketing materials without a graphic designer and without spending hours struggling with so-called easy-to-use flyer creation tools. Now, you can provide professional marketing materials without breaking a sweat. Your real estate partners will love this service that you provide, and you'll be gaining valuable exposure through the co-branding on every single flyer. If it wasn't already easy enough, with the most recent PrintPub update, you can instantly sync MLS data into your co-marketing materials. Let's take a look at how you can use the newest feature of PrintPub, the MLS Property Finder. First, you'll need to choose a template. We recommend choosing a style, such as mid-century charmer or sophisticated contemporary, that matches the look and feel of the property. That way, you can create a few pieces within that portfolio, like an open house flyer or a sign-in sheet. Then, you can present that package to your realtor partner as a group of cohesive assets. Okay, so let's say we wanted to create a financing flyer in PrintPub. All you need to do is click right here on Property Finder, then type in the property's address or MLS number and the zip code. Select the correct listing and choose which information you want to pull into the flyer and click OK. From there, you can choose what photos you'd like to push to the flyer, and voila! Your real estate flyer is nearly complete already. Then, just put in the listing agent information and do the same for loan officer. Check out this beautifully co-branded real estate marketing flyer you just created in a snap. You can then save this flyer as a PDF and quickly send it to your realtor partner. It can then be printed or digitally distributed. Stand out with beautifully designed real estate flyers. Start creating today. Request a free account upgrade by visiting help.ijungo.com.